Hi there and welcome to another video on Jira software. In this video we're going to talk about how to clean out your issue type schemes. When you create new Jira projects and you don't use a template, then you will actually create new issue type schemes and a lot of other configuration for every project. And then when you end your projects and you delete or archive your projects, the issue type schemes will still remain. So that can mean that if you have a reasonably old Jira instance, a couple of years old, depending on how often you create Jira projects and how often you remove them, you can have orphaned issue type schemes, and they will only take up space, and they are just making working in Jira software as an administrator a little bit more annoying. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove them and also what happens if you do it by mistake. So let's move over to Jira. So here I am now in Jira software, and if you want to know how I got here, let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. So like so. So I have then gone to the settings and issues. And then in the list on the left, I will use issue type schemes. So in my case, I don't have a whole lot of schemes because I clean things up and this is quite a new instance. But in order for you to find where you have orphaned issue type schemes, you would just need to follow the column for projects. And as soon as you come to something that looks like this, where you don't have a project connected to it, that means it's orphaned. It's not used by any project or any configuration in Jira. And so what you can do then is you go to the three dots, click on it, and you click delete. And it will then say there are no projects currently using these schemes. That means that it's safe to remove. So then you can just click delete. And now it's gone from your list and things looks a lot better. So if I would do this for one of the existing ones, so if I take this one, for example, and I click delete, then you will see that it is used. There's one project currently using this. This project will reverse to using the default. So if you accidentally delete this, then this project here, Elastic Bug project, will then use this configuration, the global one. And the global one usually have everything connected to it by default. And that might not be the best solution for you, because then you probably have more subtasks and tasks that you want. So just make sure that when you click delete, that it does not say that there is one project connected to it. So that was it, very quickly. So that was it, very quickly, on how to clean up your issue type schemes in Jira software. I hope you liked it, and until next time, have a good day.